Exploring the diverse applications of AutoCAD, from design to construction and beyond. AutoCAD is a widely used computer-aided design (CAD) software that enables users to create, modify, and document 2D and 3D designs and drawings. Its versatility makes it valuable across various industries, including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing, and more. Here are some common uses of AutoCAD. Architectural design. Architects use AutoCAD to create detailed floor plans, elevations, sections, and 3D models of buildings. It helps in visualizing and communicating design concepts to clients and stakeholders. Engineering design. Engineers from various fields, such as mechanical, civil, electrical, and structural engineering, use AutoCAD to design components, machines, infrastructure, and systems. Construction. AutoCAD is used to create construction drawings that include accurate measurements, dimensions, and annotations. These drawings guide contractors during the construction process. Product design. Industrial designers use AutoCAD to design and model products, whether they are consumer goods, machinery, or electronic devices. Interior design. Interior designers utilize AutoCAD to plan layouts, furniture arrangements, and detailed designs for residential and commercial spaces. Landscaping. Landscape architects use AutoCAD to create site plans, plant layouts, and outdoor design elements for parks, gardens, and urban spaces. Mechanical drafting. AutoCAD aids in creating detailed technical drawings for machine parts, assemblies, and mechanical systems. Civil engineering. AutoCAD is used to design infrastructure projects such as roads, bridges, dams, and utilities. It helps in planning and visualizing complex civil engineering projects. Electrical design. Electrical engineers use AutoCAD to design electrical systems, schematics, and wiring diagrams for buildings, machinery, and electronic devices. Surveying and mapping. AutoCAD can be used in land surveying to create accurate maps, plot boundaries, and document geographic information. 3D printing and prototyping. AutoCAD's 3D modeling capabilities are crucial for creating prototypes and models that can be used for 3D printing and rapid prototyping. Aerospace and automotive design. Engineers in the aerospace and automotive industries use AutoCAD to design aircraft, spacecraft, cars, and other vehicles. Educational purposes. AutoCAD is widely used in educational institutions to teach students about design principles, drafting techniques, and CAD software skills. Art and animation. Some artists and animators use AutoCAD to create intricate 3D models and animations for various purposes, including entertainment and visualization. Documentation and presentation. AutoCAD allows professionals to create detailed and accurate documentation, including technical drawings, blueprints, and presentations. Collaboration and communication. AutoCAD files can be easily shared and collaborated on, making it an essential tool for teams working on complex design projects. These are just a few examples of the many ways AutoCAD is utilized across various industries. Its capabilities continue to evolve, and it remains a fundamental tool for design, drafting, and visualization tasks.